Alright, so today we're gonna make a chicken dinner. There's some chicken legs. We're gonna make some corn on the cob, some salad, and we're also gonna make like a potato zucchini dish. So basically I'm just gonna cut up some potatoes, a little bit of zucchini. This is from my sister's garden, by the way. And bake it. I'm not sure how long to bake it for, probably 45 minutes to an hour. So then we can start on the chicken. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some olive oil, a little bit of olive oil. Sprinkle some salt here. And then we're going to sprinkle some garlic powder, not a lot, just a little bit to give it some flavoring. And we're just going to go like this with our hands and probably bake it for 400 degrees between 30 minutes to an hour. I'm just going to eyeball it and I'll let you know how long it takes. All right, we have 2 chicken legs. So what we're going to do is we're going to just sprinkle with some olive oil on both sides. All right, now we're going to sprinkle with some salt. Oh, that's a little bit too much. Some pepper. We're going to do both sides. Some 21 seasoned salute. This is from Trader Joe's, by the way. Whoa. Some garlic powder. And normally I put paprika, but I can't find it for some reason. So we're going to end it with this zesty Italian dressing. Just sprinkle a little bit. I did this last time and I don't know what it was. I might sprinkle more than I did before. It was really good. And then I guess we'll start baking that. Alright, for the salad, I thought I would try something different. This is called a sweet kale salad. I've had this before, it's really good. So it has broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, chicory, dried cranberries, pumpkin seeds, poppy seed dressing. Now the dressing is kind of sweet, and my sister taught me a little trick. Get a little bit of mayonnaise. It's just the perfect amount. It's not too sweet. I mean, if you like sweet dressing, it's fine. And then I'll be adding some avocado to the salad. Alright, I just took out the potatoes and the squash looks pretty good. The corn's still going. The chicken's almost ready, guys. And here's my salad. I mix avocado in there. I don't know if you can see it, probably not, but yeah, it's gonna be a good meal. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a lot of food here I just made tonight. It's Monday night, by the way. So corn on the cob, 2 chicken legs, some squash and potatoes that I baked in the oven, and some salad with avocado. And to drink, we're having water. So I've been really craving corn on the cob. So I wanted to know what meal I should make, and I thought chicken would be good. And I was like, look, I went to the store the other day and I was like, there's a lot of chicken. I was like, I just wanted something simple. So I just got some chicken legs. I got a pack of 6, so this is for my next 3 meals. Perfect. Although I decided if I don't want to have chicken legs three times in a row, I was thinking about making this like a cheeseburger with some vegetables and salad, and I can use the chicken legs later. But I do like to put some barbecue sauce on the side of my chicken legs. So yeah, let's go ahead and try a chicken leg right now. Oh, it's hot. I hope it's not too hot. Do you guys like chicken legs? That's really good. It's also really hot. Try some of the salad. I haven't had this salad in a while. Do you guys ever get this kale salad? They sell it at Safeway, Costco. That's really good. I think it's about 8:15 right now. It's starting to get dark. I think it gets dark around 9 p.m. So I had to rush and do this video. But let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and butter some corn. And if you guys wonder why I'm using it, I get some people like, why are you using that? That looks really weird. A bamboo fork. Why are you using a bamboo fork? It's because a lot of people don't like the fork noise on the plate. It's like really scratchy and loud. So I go ahead and just actually this was from a subscriber, actually, to be honest. If it wasn't for her, I'd probably be still using a plastic fork. But as you guys know, a real fork will scratch a plate. I don't know, when I eat, it scratches the plate and it's really scratchy. People don't like it. I haven't had corn in a while. Let's try this out. That is so good. Oh my god. Super sweet. Let's try some zucchini and potatoes. Not bad. For some reason, when my sister made it for me one time, it tasted a little bit better. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little dry. Here, let me show you. It's kind of dry. Maybe I didn't add enough oil, but it's still good. I don't know why my face looks really good. I wonder if it's because of my healthy eating. I've been eating more healthier these days. Right after I made this meal, I was waiting for it to cook. I packed some sandwiches, only like a half a sandwich, turkey and cheese, and some watermelon. I also got some chicken salad, like a little chicken salad, Southwest chicken salad from Safeway. So I think I'm gonna alternate those for lunch, so I don't have the same thing every day. I can't eat the same food every day. I think some people might can. I really can't. If I don't, and maybe if I don't want it for lunch, maybe I'll just take it on my way to Walmart. I don't know. But I'm just trying to figure out some ideas what I can take that I like. Flour tortilla. Somebody suggested wrap, so that's really a good choice. When I eat flour tortillas a lot, it blows my stomach. I don't know why. It's like really weird. So I don't know if I could do one tortilla, but I don't know. I feel like you hear the siren. I don't know what's happening. I usually get a loaf of sourdough bread for a week, and I'll have it for toast in the morning, or I can have an egg sandwich or sandwiches. But when I buy flour tortillas, I don't want to waste them, and it did just blow my stomach for some reason. So I'm trying to eat more foods that I don't blow my stomach. This will not blow my stomach at all. Potatoes are fine. Also, this chicken I made last time was better too. I'm not sure why, but a little bit better. But I didn't add paprika. I couldn't find it for some reason, but I wouldn't think that would make it taste a lot better. I don't know. So maybe next time I can make you a different chicken meal. I saw this recipe on YouTube. It was actually a meal prepping video. This guy, he was so nice. A few videos, he's like, I want to meal prep for my sister. It's like a lot of work to meal prep somebody else's food. And what he meal prepped, it was like this chicken thigh, I think, and our breast. He cut it in half, and he added cheese, spinach, and roasted bell peppers. And it looked really good. It was really cheesy, and that was one of our meals that she meal prepped, or she ate for the week. I was like, that's good. It's really good. The salad's really good. This kale salad, I haven't had this in maybe a year. It's really good. Yeah, so I'm trying to eat healthy, mainly because just to get my energy back. I want more energy, and I just think it's what I eat. I'm going to change my diet a little bit and eat more healthier. Hey, you know, you never know. I might change this channel to eat more healthy. Do you guys like that? Or do you guys want to see fast food? I don't know. I want to just eat healthy. This is so good. So I think I signed up for Uber Eats. I think I might do it tomorrow or the next day after work. Just 1 or 2 orders just to see how it goes. I just wanted to just test it out. If it goes pretty well, I'll probably do videos on Uber Eats to get a lot of views. So I feel like if I do Uber Eats, it's like I can make money 3 ways. Let me show you. Okay, the first way I can make money with Uber Eats is by doing deliveries, obviously. The second way I can make money with Uber Eats is if I post videos on Uber Eats, I would get money from that, from the Google ads. Hopefully I'll get a lot of views. I don't know. And the third way I can get money from Uber Eats is I can share you my link, and you can get, like, I don't know, it might be $100 bonus. I'm not really sure. It used to be like, one time this girl on YouTube, she found my Uber Eats videos, and she did, there was a certain amount of deliveries she had to do, like 50 or 100 or something like that, and I got a $700 bonus. She did too. I was like, I don't know if they do that anymore. Those bonuses were crazy high. But that's 3 ways I can make money, and I don't know. I really don't know. Instacart was a dud, and Instacart wasn't very good, so I'm not going to do Instacart again. And this is like a few items at the store. It has to be worthwhile to do. It's not going to be $7 for 20 items. And I read somewhere that son was like, Instacart is a lot of work. I mean, yeah, it's a lot of work. It's really hard shopping for somebody else. Because when I did the Instacart last week, it took almost 2 hours to shop because, you know, I didn't know where the products were, or I had to ask the manager of the store, where is this? He was really nice. He helped me out. I had to wait for her to respond. Like, this chicken's not here. Do you want this brand? How many do you want? So it was a back and forth. It just took a while. But that's why I think Uber Eats might be better for me, just in and out, in and out. So I went back to the same Safeway, and I got my items in 10 minutes or less, maybe 5 minutes. So because I just know what I want, you know. When I used to live with my sister, sometimes on the way home, we had Whole Foods, and she would ask me to get lettuce. I'm like, okay, well, how many do you want, and what kind of lettuce? So do you want organic? So it is kind of hard shopping for somebody. Oh yeah, very good. If you guys have any healthy ideas for healthy eating, let me know. I'm trying to do some low carb meals, but it doesn't have to be low carb. But I'm not going to do spaghetti. Well, maybe if I can eat it with a salad, maybe. Somebody recently made a comment on my Wingstop, and they're like, this guy was like, stay healthy, and this guy was like, Karen's nothing but healthy. I'm like, I make healthy videos too, not just fast food. I make vegetarian meals. I make homemade tacos. I don't think that's super bad. made a lot of homemade chicken dishes, different ones. So it's getting a little bit dark. Let me hurry up and eat this. It was so hard to like rush the video before dark time. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.